In this video, I will show you how to delete your Evernote account. Start by logging into your Evernote account on the website or desktop app. Once you're logged in, click on your profile name at the top left corner of the screen and select Account Info. This will open a new tab displaying your account information. Scroll down on the left-hand menu and click on Account Status. Here you'll see an option labeled Close Your Evernote Account. Click on it to begin the account deletion process. On the next page, check the box that says I understand and click Next. You'll be asked to enter your first and last name, select your location, and provide your email address. Click Verify Email and complete the CAPTCHA to confirm you're not a robot. Evernote will send a verification code to your email address. Open your email inbox, copy the code, and paste it into the verification box on the Evernote page. Click Next to proceed. Select I want to delete my account from here and click on Next again. On the final page, check these two boxes from here and click Submit. Evernote will process your deletion request and send you a confirmation email once the account is deleted. And this is how you can delete your Evernote account.